Right. Whatever you think of Trump, I mean, I don't like him that much, but he has vision. And this is the primary issue that I have with UK politicians. As someone who lives in the UK, I think our politicians lack vision completely. I think Trump, no matter what you can say, has a clear vision of where he wants America to go and the US to go, and that is commendable. You might not like how he's doing it. You might think he's a bit crazy, and he probably is. I think there is certainly a bit of crazy to him. But in the UK, there's a complete lack of hope because, you know, these politicians, they don't really know what they're doing. They're filling a little bit here, filling a little bit there, thinking it will make that much of a difference. I mean, Gary Stevenson, I think he has a very simple idea of, like, basically if you redistribute wealth, then the country will be fine. Which I think is just not true. I don't think it's just a matter of redistribution. I think there's just things that there's a lack. I think the lack of identity and vision comes before any argument of where money goes in the first place. There is certainly an argument that having loads of wealthy people who are basically, you could say a rentier class, or what's the word? There's a word that we use in economics. I can't remember. It's been a long time since I've studied economics, but yes, you have rent seekers. That's it. So rent seekers are part of the problem. This is a country where rent seeking is essentially incentivized over productive activity and actually producing things of value. Everywhere you look, everything else gets taxed to bits apart from those sort of assets. So there is a problem there. There's an innovation problem, but I think that comes from the overall lack of hope and which is evident in the political class. Everything sort of starts with government, really. Anyway, tell me what you think. Have a good day. Leave a comment.